Lift yourself with your own awareness and efforts. Do not let yourself fall. Remember, you're your own best friend and your own worst enemy. Namaste. To begin with, let me introduce myself. Simply, I'm Smita Kamath, a name that I was born with, a name that carries childhood memories, silences, mind conditioning, and some of my purani soch. So before I start my journey, my suffer, let me ask you some normal, regular questions, reflective questions for each one of you. So how many of you start your day with these questions, a checklist in your mind? सुबह उठ के बस टाइम पे आ जाएगी ना, बच्चों का टिफिन बन गया, आज किचन में क्या बनेगा? And with each of these questions, there is something which happens, which we tell ourselves बाद में हमारे लिए, बाद में अपने ग्रोथ के बारे में, बाद में अपने आवाज़ के लिए. So all these questions, it also came to me, but not like all together. At different times, different milestone of my life, at different phases of my suffer. So my journey of Naya Soch, Naya Safar is not a big transformative like a typical Bollywood film. Karan Johar का थोड़ी ना story चल रहा है. But it is like a small changes which happened throughout my journey of my life. So to begin with, the first suffer, I was born in Kolhapur. Yes, the land of Lavangi Mirchi. It's famous for strong personalities. But see the irony. Whenever I used to think, मैं and Lavangi Mirchi, I was not even a love of that Lavangi. Forget the Lavangi Mirchi. But that was the irony of it. I was born in a middle class family with simple things. Discipline, respect your elders, do your studies properly, and behave well. Now, apart from that, I had a very protective, I will say super protective life as a child. And that led to no friends. Literally no friends. So my life surrounded around my parents and my elder brother. That's it. That was my life. उस टाइम पे लगा it's normal, ठीक है, सब कुछ बढ़िया है. But I never realized there was always this silence. There was always this discipline था, हिम्मत नहीं थी किसी भी चीज़ में. And sometimes ऐसा होता है ना कि you feel that silence is good, शांति है, but it does is it starts to hide you. And कहीं ना कहीं in those silence, I was getting hidden. So I had nahi soch. So my life journey is about a nahi soch to nahi soch. So my suffer took me to a school, which was the most challenging part. The shift from Nagpur, where I was studying in a Hindi medium school, to a English medium convent. बोलने के लिए तो best education I would have got, but unfortunately, it was not. Education, yes, but few things which happened, which put a great scar in my life. The language became powerful. English was the commanding thing there, and I was weak in the language. I never had the background. On top of it, I was a chubby chick or a chubby child. उस टाइम में तो फर्क नहीं था, chubby थे, मम्मी पापा का एकदम मतलब लाडली because I was the younger one. But sometimes your classmates and sometimes adults also, they are very honest, but that can leave a deep mark. And in my case, it was a deep scar, which I struggled for many years in my life. I was very fond of participating Before this school, I was a very bubbly child, used to talk a lot. I was very fond of talking. But here I was silenced. When I went to participate in dance, I was rejected. Not only rejected, replaced. ये नहीं कर पाएगी. When I went for taking part in debate, again the same thing. तुम नहीं कर पाओगी. Look at her. She will do it better. When I went for anything, or even for sports, तुमसे नहीं कर पाओगे. तुम ये नहीं होगा. She will be better. And I was replaced. Slowly, I stopped participating. That was the easy thing. I stopped raising my hand, not because I didn't want to participate. I wanted to. The child wanted to participate. But participate ही नहीं किया तो rejection कहाँ से होगा? And I learned a very dangerous lesson. Don't try, you will not be rejected. And one more thing, message that was like printed in my mind. You are good for nothing. तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. And that stayed with me. And the so-called लवंगी मिर्ची जिसको होना था, who was so shy and so naive कि जिसने कभी आसमान देखा ही नहीं क्योंकि उसकी नज़रें तो नीचे थी. Who never talked, who was silenced. So that once bubbly child became so quiet, she never raised her eyes again. And that was my schooling. Later, I definitely realized that people, when they comment out of their own limits. They don't comment on your potential. वो उनकी limit है, जो आज मैंने realize किया. But that time, I was hardly a 13-year-old child and nobody to guide. Later, the major change happened when I got married. Married and my surname changed. I became Smita Ghosh. Yes, Kamat se Ghosh. Quite a different culture. And यहाँ पे तो ज़मीन आसमान का difference. Here I was in a middle class family, very simple, with no people coming around, to a house where it was like a boiled tea to green tea culture. Boiled tea was a very simple, predictable, पता है चाय ताजमहल चाय है, दूध डालना है, चीनी डालना है, खत्म हो गया. ग्रीन टी, द नेम्स वेर स्कैरी. लोपचू, ये कोई चाय का नाम होता है? आई रियलाइज देन. अर्ल ग्रे, ये नाम है कि किसी इंसान का नाम है? आई वॉज कन्फ्यूज्ड. द पीपल हु वर देयर एट दैट हाउस यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट बुक्स. Books I have never heard about because my life before that was surrounded by Tinkle, Champak, Women's Era. I still read that. Who can forget Supandi? We still enjoy that. But here it was different. Books के नाम ही याद नहीं थे. Author के तो छोड़ ही दो. And they used to discuss. Where I was there, means where I was brought in. वहाँ पे तो हम लोग एकता कपूर के सीरियल पे एब्जॉर्ब करते थे. अरे पता है मिहिर वापस आ गया. That was the dialogue we used to hear. And here the dialogue was completely different. I was scared. If I am holding the cup right, क्योंकि कप पकड़ने का भी स्टाइल अलग था. Even to greet it was different. It was not something that I knew. It was scary. And again, the inferiority complex which I had got in my school, again it took a big fang. Again I got that feeling, I am good for nothing. I am not meant for this house. But you have a Krishna in your life. I am a strong believer of Bhagavad Gita. So today I can say you get that Krishna. Krishna not as a god but as an anchor. इतना ही है कि we don't recognize that anchor in our life. So my first anchor in my life फिल्मी की तरह नहीं है. अभी तक तो बहुत फिल्मी था. जैसे कि ये बॉइल्ड चाय तो ये तो it was like a Rocky and Rani. The only difference was I was a polite version of Ranbir Singh when he entered the Rani का घर. But now that anchor was my माँ. who did not try to change me, who did not let me mold myself कि नहीं तुम्हें बदलना पड़ेगा. She said you are enough. Whatever you are enough. You only need to grow. You need to grow. That's it. She did not hold my hand and said कि ये ऐसा करना है वैसे करना है. She let me make mistakes and learn. So she stood by me just like any anchor. They don't divert. They just make you not drift to a different place. So she was that anchor who stood by me. By then, life took me to different types of jobs because for me, house, my children was everything. So I was happy doing छोटे मोटे कुछ भी काम, कभी कैटरिंग कर लिया, कभी कुछ और कर लिया. I was healer, so I was healing, I was doing yoga and all that stuff. But later, after my second child, a question came up. Till now, it was only purani soch. So now, after second child, I realized कि अब तो अपने बारे में तो सोचना है. Even though there were comments, Smita, you take a back seat. You should concentrate only on children. But I decided that was my nayi soch towards this naya safar. I completed my master's and later my PhD. Later, I decided I need to grow now. I need to have a career. Because एक life का बहुत important decision I had to make. वो decision बहुत खतरनाक था. After 23 years of marriage to take the decision, but I had to take. But for that, I had to be financially independent and more than that, emotionally strong. I changed my job. I got into a big, wide corporate job. It was not easy to work at 40s. My team consisted of 20-25, half my age. But I never shied away from learning from them. I was not ashamed to learn. So I learned, I relearned, and that's how I developed a nayi soch. And this transformation got me to meet more people. And that led to one more nayi soch for me that I can write. And which led to 4 books that I have published. Not to prove anything, nor my PhD, nor these books is to prove anything, but to just say that you are not alone. And one, if they want to, they can do it. So tomorrow, again ये सारे questions रहेंगे आपके life में. खाना क्या बनाना है, बच्चों को उठाना है, बच्चों का life क्या करना है, but with that, have one more सोच कि today I am thinking with that purani सोच or you're reacting to a new सोच. Because no nayi soch happens suddenly. It is like small steps that you need to take. So I was Smita Kamath when I was born. Through life and marriage, I became Smita Ghosh. And today, by my choice, I am Dr. Smita Kamath Ghosh. So this is my nayi soch and my naya safar. And I would like to end with, be your own reason to smile. Thank you.